Hi, I'm Gigi.
And I'm Jeff.
And we're still
Living real simply.
we're having trouble with regaining our power, and
Yes.
it's been tough.
Yep.
Honestly, I have to say it's hard to stay positive, but we're doing our best. And we thank you for continued prayers and support, and
Absolutely.
all the friends' help that we've had, and we've been able to give some help back, and
Yep.
it's good. We're trying to get our life to feel as normal as we can around us, so that is helpful when that happens. But there's noise of generators, and there's a lot of noise. I think that's getting to me. I can't wait until it's a little bit quieter.
Yeah,
Man,
it will
feels
be
like
soon.
Sicily without the fireworks. But thank you so much. How did you do it? You just put it right into the espresso machine? I mean, right into the generator? I'm not awake.
Yeah, I just carried the whole pot right out there and plugged it directly in.
You're awesome.
So it heats quick because it's right near the source. But let's hope it tastes good.
I'm sure it will. It sure
Yeah.
looks good.
Yeah.
Look at that. Sitting outside my outdoor living room. Perfect. So it is day 6. I don't know what day it is. We still don't have any power. A lot of places do. Everyone's putting all their brush out to the ends. We're managing by cooking outside. We got our kitchen set back up, taking cold showers, doing laundry, cold laundry on the generator, and then just hanging them out to dry. So some of the friends that have gotten jugs of gasoline for the generators got their power back, so they're sharing it with us, those of us who haven't gotten it yet. So we appreciate that. Just trying to keep positive and look for all the blessings that we have, and know that there'll be an end to it at some point. Anyway, we're just trying to share our experience. These, we're hoping, are the last days. It's 6 days today. It'll be a week tomorrow, and man, feels
Yep.
like forever. But thank you for watching, and thank you for all
Thank
your
you.
support. We really appreciate it.
Thank
Ciao
you so
for
much.
now.
Ciao, ciao. Interesting pictures there.
This is Punta Gorda. Thought we'd take a ride down here. There's a lot of debris everywhere. They're closer to water, right, Jeff?
Yes. The water is to our right. Not very far away. Which is the Port Charlotte Inlet.
Oh, all those trees behind you, they're all down.
Yep.
Yeah, a lot of damage here. There's nothing open to eat. What road are we on here, Jeff?
I'm not sure the name of the road, but it runs right along the harbor, right along Charlotte Harbor. And that is a county building right there that's been used for functions in the past. And it looks to me like it's really gotten hit hard by the hurricane.
This whole road looks pretty bad. The right on the water.
Yeah.
When we walk, we come from this building over here on the left, around and go to Carmela's restaurant. I'm gonna try to check
It's a
out.
nice walk by the water.
Yeah,
Water's edge.
it is.
Look at the trees, huh?
Oh,
The brush.
so sad.
It's Carmelo's.
How's he doing?
Well, it don't look too bad from what I can see.
Good. Well, come on.
A lot of junk out there, but he looks like he's still.
We have a tree that needs to be cut back because the lines are there. So we have someone
How long you
helping us out.
the power up?
I don't know. They destroy everything.
Yeah, I know it's a mess. I know it.
Yeah, right now, there's a lot of people everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you guys need water or anything?
No, that's fine. Thank you.
Okay.
You got some.
Jeffrey,
Yes, dear.
what was the exciting news that happened yesterday?
Well, yesterday, we were just hanging out here at, I don't know, noontime or something.
Mm-hmm.
The power came back on.
It was so exciting.
Yeah, we all had, there was a little cheer amongst the group here, the family.
Yes, there was.
Yes,
We still don't have internet,
No.
but we have power.
yes.
So just putting up these videos has been like long and arduous
Yeah,
process.
Well, it was thrilling to get the water back on after a couple of 3 days or something, whatever. And after 8 days, finally the power on the 8th day. So
Yeah.
it was wonderful to have that. The AC came on. We've got everything, refrigerators plugged back into the walls, and they're taking care of themselves. We were able to turn our pool back
Yep.
into a pool from a frog pond because
It's
it was
looking so much
chock
better.
full of leaves and debris that blew in through the screen that was blown out by the hurricane. So,
Right.
understandably so. And this is yesterday afternoon. It looked green like a frog pond, and as you can see right now, the filter's only been going a few hours, and we've already got it, good 80% back to where it should be.
Yep. So
So
we're
thrilled.
we're on our way, and we
Yes.
thank you so much.
Yes.
We're so appreciative of everything. I'm sorry, I'm still coughing over a month now.
Yes.
But I'm better than I was.
Yes,
That's-
you are. Thankfully.
Yes, and thank you all for all your support, and we love you guys.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Ciao for now.
Ciao, ciao.